Hello there, thank you for joining me today. If this is your first time here, my name is Udoh, and every week I share content that can help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. However, I've been trying to share information with people on how to stay healthy because I had a situation in my life where I was diagnosed with prostate cancer back in 2019. I had to have surgery in 2020 during the health crisis, and right now I'm in the process of going through the radiation process. And as a result of that, it's dawned on me that we really need to take care of ourselves. We really need to take care of our health, because all you have is one life, and once that's done, it's done. So my mission right now, apart from teaching people or sharing knowledge on how to improve your personal finance, it's also how to live a healthy lifestyle, because at the end of the day, they're both interconnected. Okay, your health and your wealth are connected, whether you like it or not. I mean, try going to a hospital if you're sick and you need a major surgery and you don't have the resources to get it done. Then you'll have to probably set up a GoFundMe page or something like that. So taking care of your finance but also taking care of your health is paramount to you living a balanced life, a healthy life, and living a lifestyle. Because at the end of the day, it's all about lifestyle. Most people don't live a healthy lifestyle because we're stressed out with our jobs, we're stressed out with family, we're stressed out about money, about our paycheck, about income. So a lot of people are going through a lot of stress, and when you have a lot of stress in your body, it affects your immune system, okay, which makes you susceptible to illnesses, to diseases. Some people suffer from hypertension, high blood pressure, depression, anxiety. All this is attributed to the lifestyle that we live, because we live in a society now where there's so much pressure, whether it's pressure from social media, whether it's pressure from family, trying to get us, setting expectations for us to achieve goals. So if you're watching this video right now, you must have seen the title of this video on how to lose weight in a week. Now, ideally, the best way for you to lose weight, okay, or the best amount of weight for you to lose is between 1 pound and 2 pounds a week. Now, I've seen people who have gone for 10 pounds a week. Now, if you do things like that, that's detrimental to your health, okay? So you really don't want to, try to lose so much weight in a week. The safe area is between 1 pound and 2 pounds a week, okay? And that way it's sustainable. What mostly happens with people is, we all sign up for all these crazy diets out there. And like I said in my previous videos, diets are great. However, diets are restrictive, and unfortunately, most people who go on a diet eventually gain all that weight back because it's not sustainable. All right. Now, if you can find a program where you can still eat what you want, okay, as a matter of fact, you can eat every 3 hours and still lose weight, will that pique your interest? Now, I'm going to leave a link down below. Make sure you click that link, and I'll have some information there that's really going to be beneficial to you. It's going to help you develop a different relationship with food. Okay, we're told when you're dieting, depending on what diet you're on, to avoid carbs, to avoid fat, don't eat protein. Or on the other extreme, they might tell you, all you have to eat is just protein and nothing else. Okay, you have other diet situations where you have to starve yourself, you have to count your calories, all sorts of restrictions. Okay, so what I have to share with you is it doesn't have to be like that. You can still lose weight in a week, okay? But it has to be a gradual process. I know you don't want to hear that, but if you want to lose weight really fast, there are ways for you to do that, but I'm not here to promote that. I'm here to promote, sorry about the noise, there's a plane flying up above. I am here to just share what I'm implementing in my life right now to get myself in the best shape ever, okay? You can follow me on Instagram, and it's at Unwana Udoh. That's UNWANAUDOH. I'm going to leave the link down below as well. You can find me online, okay? I'm not a secret here, so you can find me. And so the key is, there are certain things you want to do if you want to lose weight in a week. Like I said, I'm going to leave the link down below. Make sure you click that. There's going to be lots of information for you. All right. In this program, you're going to learn how to reset your system, because over the years, I'm sure you've tried different diets, you've tried different products, you've tried different programs, and you haven't seen results. But I'm here to tell you that don't give up on yourself, okay? There is hope, all right? All you have to do is just click the link down below. I don't want to sound like a broken record, but you want to do yourself a favor and click that link below, because it's going to be the first link in the description. You will find this program amazing. Okay, there is no restrictions on what you can eat. You can eat your regular food, you can eat every 3 hours, but it's all centered around, you know, being able to eat the right portion, okay, and being able to eat the right thing. So you still need to have your protein, you need to have your fats, and you need to have your carbs. But you know, fats and, you know, carbs and protein are different. Okay, there's clean protein, and then there's, you know, the other kind of protein. So and also taking supplements, because you need supplements. You can only eat so much food. You know, I once heard that most of the food we have today lacks most of the nutrients, because the soil, or the way these products are grown, or vegetables and stuff, they lack the essential nutrients that our body needs. So you definitely need supplementation. And also you need a support group. For most people, you know, they need help. Most people need help. Most people need an accountability partner that will tell you, hey, did you do your exercise today? Did you go for your walk today? Did you lift your weights today? Did you eat the right diet today? You know, so some of us need that extra push. And with this program, you will learn how to reset your body, how you can still enjoy your favorite foods, how you can add some amazing supplements to your diet and get your body in the best shape. I mean, I am 55. Okay, I'm gonna be 56 in a few weeks, and I'm in the best shape of my life. Okay, I feel stronger. I've actually increased my weights in the gym. So my main goal is just to, you know, build muscle. Okay, because as you get older, it becomes more difficult for you to build muscle. So I want to make sure that I give myself that edge, okay, and I get my muscle growth to a different level, okay, compared to other 55-year-olds out there. Okay, so I am proud to tell you that I'm 55 and I feel strong, I feel active, okay, just because of this program that I'm on. And I want to share with as many people as possible, because what we're being told in the mainstream media, you know, they're lying to you. Okay, there are other alternatives for you to get yourself in shape. There are other alternatives for you to lose weight, still eat what you want, and live a healthy lifestyle. So my mission for the rest of this year and going forward is about lifestyle. Okay, it all comes down to your lifestyle. What lifestyle are you living? Okay, so losing weight in a week is doable, but what I'm telling you is the ideal is between 1 pound and 2 pounds a week. Okay, you don't want to, you know, overdo things, because you end up causing injury to your body. Okay, so you want to make sure that you lose between 1 and 2 pounds a week. Now, if you want to lose more, go for it. Okay, but what I'm telling you is you want to stick to 1 pound to 2 pounds a week, and that's doable. And it just needs a different focus on your part, and, you know, changing a few things in your life. So if you found this video valuable, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button on, you know, and so that you can be notified when I have new videos. So like I said, my channel is mostly on personal finance and wealth creation, but I'm trying to incorporate the lifestyle piece, okay, which has to do with living a healthy lifestyle. Because what will it make for you to have all the money in the world and you can't even enjoy the money? Okay, so you want to make sure that you focus on your health as well. There are many things that we have to juggle. We have to juggle our health, we have to juggle our finances, family, work, side gigs, every single thing. Okay, you only have 24 hours in a day to accomplish all these things. So take my advice, click the link down below, and I'll see you there, because there's going to be tons of information. that you haven't heard before. Okay, so thank you again for being here, and as usual, be true to yourself, be true to your goals, and never ever ever give up. And please join me on this journey. Okay, take care. Bye bye.